After setting up an A2C or ICC2 controller account, you may choose to release the controller to another user. If this happens to be a cellular module using the A2C LTEM or cell kit, this requires an additional step. That step is going to be to unclaim the communication module through the Zipit portal. So let's log into Centralus and tap the menu icon in the upper left. We're going to select Manage Subscriptions. Next, we're going to go ahead and tap View Details on the communication module we want to release. You'll notice up top under Device Information, there's the Options button. We're going to go ahead and tap that. There's the Unclaim Device option here. Click on that. This action will cancel any subscriptions, deactivate any network connectivity for this device, and totally remove it from your account. This can take a few minutes. Choose Unclaim Device to confirm your selection. Once that's complete, that will officially remove that device from the Store portal in Zipit. We can close out this window and go back to Centralus. The next step to release a controller would be to navigate to your controller list. Select the desired controller and tap Permissions. Then delete controller. That's the final step in completely removing the controller and the plan from your Centralus account. From here, any user can add this controller through a centralized account and also purchase a new subscription plan in the Zipit portal. The controller is ready for a new user.
To learn more, visit hunterirrigation.com.